Welcome back to Knop's Kitchen. Today we're making ginger cookies. I already put all the spices and the flour in this bowl, and we're just going to sift them. Next we're going to cream the sugar and the butter. So that was the egg. Now I add 1 tablespoon of water. And a 1/4 cup of molasses. Finally we add the dry ingredients back in. We make balls out of the dough about the size of a walnut. Let's pretend I found some, roll it in this sugar. And we bake it in a 350 oven, 350 Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. Alright, the cookies are done. As you can see, my sous chef is on the floor, passed out. So we're going to move the cookies to the cooling rack.